like interior design? Well, on this channel, I will be providing advice as well as taking you along with me from the design stage to completion. Hopefully on this journey, you will get some inspiration as I share details such as home decor and pro tips. Here we are, here at the Oxon Hill, Maryland, where the National Harbor is. We have this amazing space. It's a 4-level townhouse. We had 60 days to turn this whole thing around. We got 2, 3, 4 delivery trucks. We've been here, this is our second day here, so we really gonna rock it out. If you follow me, we'll show you the rest. Okay, so we're entering the 4th level loft. We have this new 3D art on the wall we added in to the space. The surrealism art reminiscent of Pablo Picasso. And then we tied in these dark colors in the space. We did the dark trim, darker walls, and the client wanted a dancing area for entertainment, of course. So we have these mirrors, the pole, and the new tile floor that we did with the customized shape here. Now, if you notice, all the colors are kind of like that dark brown, bronze colors, a little bit of gray. That's intentional. We wanted to make the space warm and cozy. So if you notice, these colors all tie into the stone. So it's almost like following itself into this. We wanted to do white cabinets just to give a contrast so it pops against the darker tone colors. And of course, new herringbone backsplash, floating shelves, etc. here. Coming around, these lights look familiar, the blown glass lights we had downstairs in the kitchen. Amazing. And coming around this way, again, new drink table, this amazing tree base. I think this is made of bronze, really nice piece. Again, tying in materials, tones, really is important when designing a space. Last but not least, I believe this is a 150-inch screen we added in here. Sony projector shoots right on this, 4K. And we have these window inserts here that you can kind of lounge, sit back, and relax while during the party. New leather sectional, really soft leather, and we added in some, again, bronze toned pillows, accents, etc. Last but not least, we have this geometric table, and just really makes the space pop and ties things in nicely.